Be ready. Start. The question whether the case and the attendant circumstances can be attributed to service will, however, be decided by the pension sanctioning authority. Stop. To assist the medical officer who signs the death certificate or the medical board in the case of an invalid, the unit will furnish a report on stop. In all cases other than those due to injuries, stop. In all cases of injuries other than battle injuries, stop. In cases where award of disability pension or reassessment of disabilities is concerned, a medical board is always necessary and the certificate of a single medical officer will not be accepted except in case of CWP number 7277 of 2013 stations where it is not possible or feasible to assemble a regular medical board for such purposes. Stop. The certificate of a single medical officer in the latter case will be furnished on a medical board form and countersigned by the ADMS within bracket army, comma within bracket navy, comma within bracket air, stop, para. On the basis of such regulations and policy instructions, it is argued that in terms of clause 5 within bracket a member of the defense service is presumed to be in sound physical and mental condition at the time of entry into service except as to physical disabilities noted or recorded at the time of entrance. Stop. It is argued that any deterioration in the health of defense personnel is deemed to have taken place due to service clause 5 within bracket B. Stop. Referring to clause 9, but if the medical opinion holds for reasons to be stated that the disease could not have been detected on medical examination prior to acceptance of service, the disease will not be deemed to have arisen during service. Stop. Reference was made to such terms contained in clause 14 of appendix 2nd. Stop. It is argued that in most of the cases, the medical opinion at the time of discharge has not recorded any reason as to why the disease, the reason of discharge, could not have been detected on medical examination prior to entry of the personnel in service. Stop. Therefore, in the absence of positive finding of the medical board that the disease could not have been detected on medical examination prior to enrollment of an individual in the service, the presumption is that such disease is either attributable to or aggravated by military service. Stop. Therefore, any opinion of a medical board without finding of non-detection at the time of enrollment is not sufficient to deny the benefit of disability pension to the defense personnel invalidated out of service on account of disease. Stop, para. CWP number 7277 of 2013 realize is placed upon 3 judges bench. Judgment of Supreme Court reported as Veerpal Singh versus Secretary Ministry of Defence SCC 83 and 2 judges bench judgment reported as Dharamveer Singh versus Union of India and others within bracket 2013 SCC 316. Stop. Reference was also made to division bench judgments of this court in ex Sipoe Bolaram versus Union of India and others 2008, Union of India and others versus ex Sipoe Ranjit Singh 2009 of 2011, titled Union of India and others versus Sachdev Singh, decided on 3/2/2011. Stop. It is argued that though this court, in exercise of power of judicial review, does not sit as court of appeal over the reasons recorded by invalidation medical board or review medical board, but where no reasons are recorded though required before discharge of an individual from the services, this court will strike down the findings of the medical board so as to entitle the defense personnel to the benefit of disability pension. Stop para. It is also argued that the pension is not a bounty, but it is earned while working with the defense establishments. Stop. Since the pension is payable every month, the denial thereof confers recurring cause of action which cannot be said to be lost only on account of delay. Stop. In appropriate cases, the court can mold relief so as to restrict the grant of arrears for a period of 3 years prior to initiation of proceedings, more in equity rather than in law. Stop. It is further argued that even if the records have been weeded out, the claim of pension cannot be declined. Stop. It would be a question of fact as to whether the reasons of discharge are available in the long rolls or not. Stop. In the absence of any reason in the long rolls, the presumption that discharge was attributable to or aggravated by military service would be presumed. Stop para. CWP number 7277 of 2013. Stop. On the other hand, Learned Counsel for the respondents relied upon two-bench Supreme Court judgments in Dental Council of India versus Charitable Trust and another within bracket 2001. Stop. Union of India and others versus Surinder Singh Rathore, Union of India and others versus Ram Prakash. Stop. Om Prakash Singh versus Union of India and others 667 and Union of India and other versus Talvinder Singh. Stop. Over.